Hello everyone, this is Uyên from Sontak Concern, and today I will show you how the Granifrigor will look like when it shipped to the customer factory in Vietnam. So the machine will ship in two parts. The first part is the body of the machine, and the second part is the axis and wheel. All the two parts will fit perfectly in one container. So after you take out all the wood pellet and the plastic cover, you will have the machine ready to run at your silo storage facility. So this machine model is 650 Tropic, and the total cooling capacity can go up to 25,000 tons, and in 24 hours it can cool 650 to 1,100 tons in the optimal operation. Thank you for watching.